Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Honeywell Tower Fan is probably one of the most versatile and effective cooling solutions available for your home or office, offering a powerful yet quiet performance that can transform even the hottest days into comfortable experiences, making it an essential appliance for anyone seeking reliable and efficient air circulation without the bulk of traditional fans. Number 5. Honeywell HT904 TurboForce Tabletop Air Circulator Fan. Introducing the Honeywell TurboForce Air Circulator. This compact fan delivers powerful cooling, perfect for your desk or tabletop. It's quiet enough for any space, yet strong enough for small to medium rooms. Experience intense cooling with its aerodynamic turbo design. You can feel its power from up to 25 feet away, providing refreshing airflow wherever you need it. Customize your comfort with 3 speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head. Easily direct the airflow to create your ideal cool environment. Beat the heat and save on energy costs. By using this portable fan, you can reduce your reliance on air conditioning and lower your energy consumption. Trust in Honeywell's commitment to quality. Enhance your home or office cooling and energy efficiency with our reliable fan solutions. What we like. If you need a fan that packs a punch in a small package, this one is for you. Its powerful airflow can be felt from up to 25 feet away. If you're looking for a versatile fan that can sit on a desk or be mounted, consider this model. What people say. The aerodynamic TurboForce design offers strong airflow and claims to be 25% quieter than similar models. The 11-inch fan with a pivoting head gives you wide area coverage and solid circulation for its size. The fan's head tilts up to 90 degrees, making it easy to direct airflow exactly where you need it. Number 4. Lasko 42 Oscillating Tower Fan T42954. Experience exceptional airflow with this 42-inch tower fan. It's designed for powerful cooling and features a stylish wood grain and gray finish that complements any room. This standing fan's sleek design integrates seamlessly into your home decor without taking up much space. It's perfect as a room fan for bedrooms or larger areas. Enjoy peaceful nights with this quiet fan. Its optimal cooling is perfect for sleep, ensuring you stay comfortable without disturbance. Tailor your cooling experience with 3 speed settings and a user-friendly remote. Easily control speed, oscillation, and more for personalized comfort. Conserve energy with the built-in 7.5-hour timer. Schedule your cooling for the perfect balance of comfort and energy savings. What we like. For those who prioritize both aesthetics and function, this fan is an excellent choice. Its tall, sleek design blends seamlessly with home decor, and the included remote offers convenient control. If you're looking for a stylish and easy-to-use fan for larger rooms, this is the one. What people say. The fan itself works amazingly well. I typically use the high setting right now, it is summer, but I'm sure the medium and low settings will be nice for the fall. The fan also has a sleep timer which is awesome. It is a relatively quiet fan, so I sleep through it with no problem. There is an ionizer setting, though I haven't really used that much and don't know how to really judge whether that works well or not, I've never had one before. Finally, probably one of my favorite features is the remote control. The fan is nice and strong, a lot quieter than the standing fan I had before. I love having a remote with it. I tend to turn it on before bed, but if I get too cold, I can shut it off with the remote and not bother getting up to do it. Number 3. Honeywell QuietSet HYF260 Tower Fan. Reduce your energy costs this summer by using this fan with your air conditioning. You can set your AC higher and still feel cool and comfortable. Experience powerful cooling with minimal sound. This fan is perfect for bedrooms, providing a quiet and comfortable environment. Improve air circulation throughout your home for increased comfort and energy savings. It's a great addition to any room. With 5 speed settings, you can easily adjust the sound and cooling power to your personal preferences. Enjoy customized comfort. This fan provides whole room cooling with quiet operation and oscillation. The convenient remote control and auto shut-off timer add to its ease of use. Choose from 5 sound and power settings to match your needs. You can even adjust the panel lighting to your preference. What we like. If you desire quiet, comprehensive cooling for your entire space, this fan is ideal. It offers whole room circulation with minimal noise, making it perfect for bedrooms. If you like to customize your comfort with various power and sound levels, this is a great option. What people say. These fans have multiple settings described as sleep, calm, white noise, refresh, and power cool. This fan also oscillates, which helps cool a larger space. It comes with a remote control. The power of this fan is amazing and the power cool setting is really cold. Carrying it from one place to another is easy, as it has a good carrying handle built in on the opposite side of the controls. This tower fan is great for small spaces, and the sound is very pleasing and consistent for sleep with no rattles or whining. It is very quiet. We've lost the remote long ago, but it worked like a charm. The only reason I have taken a star off is because about 2 years ago, the fan speed stopped changing. There's only one speed and it's the lowest speed. The lights indicating the different speeds changes when the button is pushed, but the actual fan speed never changes. Every other function still works and it is still very quiet. Number 2. DREO 42-inch Tower Fan. Experience immediate comfort with our advanced DC motor, delivering powerful airflow to refresh your space the moment you turn it on. Enjoy undisturbed sleep with ultra-quiet operation, as low as 20 dB. The display dims automatically, and a 12-hour timer ensures continuous comfort. Tailor your cooling experience with 9 speeds and 4 distinct modes. Find the perfect breeze, whether for a child's nap or a hot summer day. With wide-angle oscillation, this fan delivers a powerful breeze that reaches every corner of your room, eliminating hot spots. Keeping it clean is effortless thanks to the removable grill. Setup is also intuitive and requires no tools. Our upgraded motor provides stronger airflow and wider reach for faster relief. Enjoy quieter operation and more precise control for an optimal cooling experience. What we like. For those who demand powerful and quiet cooling, this fan is a top contender. It boasts an impressive airflow speed and operates at a whisper-quiet 20 dB, perfect for uninterrupted sleep. If you're looking for advanced customization with multiple speeds and modes, this is the fan for you. What people say. The Honeywell Oscillating Tower Fan provides a powerful and consistent breeze, effectively cooling down the room. Its slim and tall design makes it a great space-saving option, fitting easily into corners without being obtrusive. The multiple speed settings and oscillation feature allow for customizable airflow, ensuring comfort in various conditions. Number 1. Honeywell HTF 210B QuietSet Personal Table Fan. Tailor your cooling experience with multiple sound and power settings. This compact fan is perfect for nightstands or desks, allowing you to customize your comfort just the way you like it. Experience powerful cooling with significantly less sound. This oscillating fan offers a compact size and quiet operation, with 4 levels of sound and power for ultimate comfort. Reduce your energy bills this summer by using this fan in conjunction with your air conditioner. You can set your thermostat higher and still feel cool and comfortable. This personal table fan delivers powerful, quiet cooling in a slim, compact design. Choose from 4 sound and power levels to suit your personal cooling needs. Improve cooling and energy savings throughout your home with this quality fan. It's a great choice for any room, from the bedroom to the office. What we like. If you need targeted, quiet cooling for your personal space, this fan is a great fit. Its compact size makes it perfect for desks or nightstands, and it offers multiple power and sound levels for customized comfort. If you like having quiet, personal cooling without taking up much space, consider this option. What people say. It has multiple settings, which is adorable, but honestly the lowest one is already breeze at the beach, and the highest one could probably strip paint. Great fan for my office. It doesn't take up much space but it moves a lot of air. The white noise setting is perfect. My mother wanted a fan that was small and powerful and this one fit the order. It is a nice sturdy, small fan that oscillates and put out a good amount of air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.